Hey, what's up? It's Brad. I'm about to take this Predator engine off this Harbor Freight Plate Compactor and then put this Honda engine from this Dewalt pressure washer. And yeah, I'm doing this because the Predator engine, it leaks a bunch of oil. It's just not really running good anymore. I've used it for my landscape company for about a year and a half now. And I'm just done with the Predator engine. I've had Honda engines like this on multiple of my other tools, and you know, if anything ever goes bad on them, all you got to do is put a new carburetor on, and then they just seem to run forever. So I bought this off Craigslist for $80, and so I'm thinking I can just, you know, swap them and then have myself a good plate compactor that has a Honda engine on it. So yeah, let's see how it goes. First, you start by removing the current Predator engine. I used a 13mm wrench to get the bolts off because the socket wouldn't fit. There's just 4 bolts, and the engine will come right off. Sometimes they can be a little tricky if it's rusted on there, but I got them. I then also I cut the throttle cable off just because it was kind of broken anyway, and the new engine I could just adjust from the engine itself, so I didn't really need it. And that hand honestly is the quickest way to get it off. Now I removed the Honda engine from the pressure washer that I bought. It helps to have this cobalt impact made quick work for that. Next, I removed the pulley. All you have to do is take a bolt off, and then I just used a crowbar to kind of push it off. I was lucky. I thought I was going to have to go buy a pulley puller, but I didn't have to. I also removed the keyway out of the pulley because the existing engine that I was putting on already had it. And then I kind of tapped it with a hammer. And then I had to really beat it with the mallet, as you can see, to get it on there. Yeah, I got hot and had to take off my coat. Alright, then I bought 2 new belts for it, and it helps if you put the belts on before you bolt the engine to the compactor. This was probably the trickiest part of this whole deal here. What I did was I put it on the bottom pulley first, and then tilted the engine over, see, like there, and that helped me be able to get it on, and then I kind of, after that, lined everything up and then was able to put the engine on. So yeah, you can see it kind of took a little bit of fighting to get it on there. You see my dog in the background. Her name's Lexi. So then once the belt was on, I kind of beat it a little bit more to get the pulley on the engine itself a little bit further. And then I just used that bolt there to kind of draw it in the rest of the way. And then all you have to do is bolt the engine back down. And I did that again with the 13mm wrench, and then all you have to do is put the cover back on. This is a project I really wanted to do for a while, and I'm glad I finally got the chance to do it, because now I'm going to have a nice Honda engine on this Harbor Freight Plate Compactor, and it should work out pretty well for me. fired right up. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you.